Welcome to our channel Storm Rider. The 2026 Bugatti Motorhome is turning heads, and not just because it carries the prestigious Bugatti badge. This is a vehicle that redefines what it means to travel in luxury. Traditionally, Bugatti has been synonymous with hypercars, lightweight, blisteringly fast machines engineered for the racetrack and elite collectors. But this time, the brand has taken a bold step into the world of motorhomes. And, unsurprisingly, it's done so with unmatched flair, cutting-edge technology, and performance metrics that seem almost unreal for a vehicle of this size and purpose. At first glance, the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome doesn't look like your average RV. Its silhouette is sleek and aerodynamic, far from the boxy designs we're used to seeing on highways. Crafted with carbon fiber panels and aluminum underpinnings, the body is both lightweight and robust, helping to optimize fuel efficiency and maintain agility. The exterior design is a beautiful marriage of modern minimalism and Bugatti's iconic design language. The signature horseshoe grille sits proudly at the front, flanked by laser-cut LED headlights that resemble those from the Chiron and Devo models. Every curve and line on this vehicle serves both an aesthetic and aerodynamic purpose. Under the hood, or, rather, beneath the rear chassis, sits a hybrid powertrain that combines a finely tuned V8 twin-turbocharged engine with dual electric motors. Together, they produce a jaw-dropping 1,200 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right, a motorhome with 1,200 horsepower. This beast can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 5 seconds, which is absolutely unheard of in the RV market. But more than just raw speed, Bugatti has calibrated the drivetrain for smooth torque delivery, effortless towing, and adaptive terrain handling. Whether you're cruising along coastal highways or climbing steep mountain passes, this motorhome handles like a dream. But of course, performance is only half the story. Step inside, and you're immediately transported into what feels like a private jet lounge or a 5-star suite on wheels. The interior is where Bugatti truly flexes its muscles in craftsmanship and innovation. The cabin is decked out in the finest materials, hand-stitched leather sourced from Italy, polished walnut and carbon fiber accents, suede paneling, and ambient lighting that adjusts to time of day and passenger mood. Everything feels meticulously designed, down to the tactile feedback of the control buttons and the scent-infused climate system. The layout of the living area is equally impressive. You get a spacious lounge with modular furniture that reconfigures at the push of a button. The centerpiece is a retractable 65-inch OLED display with 8K resolution, paired with a 360-degree Dolby Atmos sound system. It's a full-on cinematic experience. The kitchen is outfitted with smart appliances including an induction stove, convection oven, and even a built-in espresso machine, all voice-activated. The fridge uses AI to track food freshness and recommend recipes based on available ingredients. Sleeping arrangements are handled with the same elegance. The master bedroom features a queen-sized memory foam bed with adjustable firmness, a skylight with electrochromic tinting, and privacy glass that goes opaque at the tap of your phone. The bathroom rivals high-end hotels. A rainfall shower, heated floors, a backlit mirror with facial recognition for preferred lighting, and a smart toilet with bidet and health monitoring features. The cockpit deserves its own moment of glory. The driver's seat is modeled after Bugatti's hypercar racing seats but cushioned for long-distance comfort. The dashboard is fully digital with an augmented reality windshield that overlays navigation, traffic alerts, and points of interest in real time. Voice command and gesture controls let the driver interact with the system without taking hands off the wheel or eyes off the road. And thanks to its Level 4 autonomous driving capabilities, the motorhome can switch to fully self-driving mode on approved highways, allowing the driver to relax and enjoy the journey. One of the standout features of the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome is its modularity and adaptability. The vehicle uses a smart chassis that can adjust ride height and suspension in real time. Going off-road, the system lifts the cabin and stiffens the shocks. Pulling into a campsite, the motorhome lowers itself for easy access and stability. There's also a solar array built into the roof, powering everything from the entertainment system to onboard Wi-Fi, minimizing the need for external hookups. Another unique selling point is the Bugatti Companion app. It's more than just a remote starter. It learns your travel habits, adjusts cabin settings in advance, and even plans scenic routes based on your preferences. You can monitor energy usage, schedule maintenance, track tire pressure, and even activate a drone camera that follows your vehicle for epic road trip footage. Despite all its opulence and performance, the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome is surprisingly practical. It offers ample storage, including hidden compartments and automated drawers that open when you're nearby. The water system is self-sustaining, with an atmospheric water generator that collects and purifies water from ambient humidity, perfect for off-grid living. There's even a built-in air purification system that removes 99.99% of particulates, allergens, and bacteria, ensuring a healthy environment no matter where you're parked. Of course, all this technology and luxury come at a price. The Bugatti Motorhome is expected to start at around $2.6 million. That places it well above most high-end RVs and even many supercars. But for those who can afford it, it offers an experience like no other, a true fusion of speed, comfort, and style. It's not just a way to travel, it's a way to live. In the end, the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome is more than just a luxury vehicle. It's a bold statement from a brand that's never shied away from breaking the mold. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a road trip junkie, or just someone with a taste for the extraordinary, this motorhome delivers on every front. It's fast, it's beautiful, it's smart, and most importantly, it's redefining the future of luxury travel.